UFO. UFO. Meaning:
unidentified flying object. There was a reported UFO sighting last night. He claimed he was a victim of alien abduction by a UFO.
Related words: alien, extraterrestrial,
Roswell.
aircraft. Aircraft. Meaning: vehicles used for flying. The military aircraft flew in formation during the air show. The commercial aircraft was delayed due to bad weather conditions. Related words: helicopter, glider, jet, drone, seaplane.
Blimp. Blimp.
Meaning:
a type of non-rigid airship. The large blimp floated gracefully across the sky. The promotional inflatable blimp attracted customers to the store.
Related words:
Zeppelin. Airship. Dirigible.
drone. Drone. Meaning:
An unmanned aircraft. The military deployed armed drones to target enemy positions. The police used a surveillance drone to track the suspect's movements.
Related words:
UAV. Quadcopter. Remote control aircraft.
fleet. Fleet. Meaning: group of ships. The naval fleet set sail for the mission. The shipping company expanded its commercial fleet. Related words: flotilla, squadron, navy, convoy, armada. Glider. Glider. Meaning:
An aircraft designed to glide through air. He enjoyed flying his sailplane across the countryside. They decided to try hang gliding during their vacation.
Related words:
Sailplane.
airplane,
Hang glider. Paraglider.
pilot. Helicopter. Helicopter. Meaning: a type of aircraft that derives both lift and propulsion from one or more sets of horizontally revolving overhead rotors. The medical helicopter transported the injured hiker to the hospital. The military helicopter landed in the combat zone to evacuate wounded soldiers. Related words: rotor, pilot, aerial, aviation.
Hovercraft. Hovercraft.
Meaning:
A vehicle capable of traveling over land and water. The small hovercraft zipped across the water's surface. The commercial hovercraft ferried passengers across the river.
Related words: craft, vehicle,
Air cushion vehicle. Paraglider. Paraglider.
meaning:
A type of aircraft for sport or recreation. The experienced pilot prepared to launch the paraglider. He loves the sensation of freedom when he is able to fly his paraglider.
Related words:
Hang glider. Skydiver.
gliding, shuttle. Shuttle. Meaning: travel regularly between places. The hotel provides a complimentary shuttle bus to the airport. We need to buy some new shuttlecocks for our badminton game this weekend. Related words: transport, ferry, bus, aircraft, carpool. Which of the following word means
unidentified flying object?
The answer is A. UFO. What is the meaning of the word shuttle? The answer is C. Travel regularly between places. What is the meaning of the word drone? The answer is A.
An unmanned aircraft.
What is the meaning of the word helicopter? The answer is A. A type of aircraft that derives both lift and propulsion from one or more sets of horizontally revolving overhead rotors. What is the meaning of the word
hovercraft?
The answer is D.
A vehicle capable of traveling over land and water.
Which of the following word means travel regularly between places? The answer is A. Shuttle. What is the meaning of the word UFO? The answer is A.
Unidentified flying object.
Which of the following word means
an aircraft designed to glide through air?
The answer is A. Glider. Which of the following word means
a type of aircraft for sport or recreation?
The answer is D.
Paraglider.
What is the meaning of the word
Blimp.
The answer is C.
A type of non-rigid airship.
Which of the following word means
an unmanned aircraft?
The answer is B. Drone. What is the meaning of the word
Paraglider.
The answer is D.
A type of aircraft for sport or recreation.
What is the meaning of the word aircraft? The answer is B. Vehicles used for flying. Which of the following word means a type of aircraft that derives both lift and propulsion from one or more sets of horizontally revolving overhead rotors? The answer is C. Helicopter. Which of the following word means
a vehicle capable of traveling over land and water?
The answer is C.
Hovercraft.
Which of the following word means vehicles used for flying? The answer is B. Aircraft. What is the meaning of the word fleet? The answer is C. Group of ships. What is the meaning of the word glider? The answer is A.
An aircraft designed to glide through air.
Which of the following word means
a type of non-rigid airship?
The answer is A.
Blimp.
Which of the following word means group of ships? The answer is A. Fleet.